Hello everyone, welcome to Figma tips and tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about a spin box. In general, a spin box is using for the increment decrement the values. In the same way, here I have used the concept of the spin box for the years, month, day, date, conditional cart and add to cart. So let's see the example here. So these all are a component and this is created in a very easy manner, so you can easily drag and drop and use. So let's see this spin box, which is date. So this date spin box is the very simple. It is used for the number increment and decrement. So we can increase and decrease the values here, and it is given till 31st. Now the next one is day spin box. So here it is increasing and decreasing, means while we tap on the next button, it will go to the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So now it will get decrease, means Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday. The same way here, add to cart. So in conditional add to cart is, it will work like this. So first it will show the add to cart. While we click on this, it will come as a one item is added. It will come to second, third and fourth. Now in the fifth, it will show max order limit is 5 units. So you can't add more, and now it will get decrease 3 to 1, and after 1 it will come to the add to cart. So here is the some condition is added here. Same way here for the years spin box. So in years spin box, it is starting from 2019 and it will end till 2024. So here is also a condition is given here, and this is the for month. So in month it will start with January and then it will end with December, and now it will get decrease. So as per the user input, and this is the simple add to cart, so it will increase and decrease the values. So each spin box is created as a component. So you can see here, and the main component is here. The controls or interaction is given on the next and previous button. So it is very easy. While you are dragging and drop, you want to change this spin box, you can come to the swap instance and you can change to the month, previous and next. So here is the month previous control, and here next control. So in next control you can have this button here as a next. So here we have the two values like a default, and the second is the selected one. So if you want to change in a month, so you can come to this month. Instead, if you want the another one year, so you can select the year next, and here the previous one. So the controls or interaction is given here. So while you select and go to the prototype, here is the all condition is given. So this is the first change to variant 3, means it will come to this, and while I click on that, then this hover state or a selected state will come. And after that, here is the interaction for first, it is count will get increased, and if the count is 1, then set date is Monday. So this is given like this, and till the date 7, so day count equal to 7, then it will come set day count to 7 and set date Sunday. So here it will get a stop. Suppose if you have the conditions like a 10, 11, 12, so you can come to the last and you can say uh, less than or equal to 11, and then set the 11 is the last one, and the variable, if you want any set text, so you can add here. So this is the way which is created all those components, and you can use easily drag and drop, and if you want to change or swap the value, so you can do it from here. So suppose this is the one which I want, and this is the date, or either we can go with the add to cart. So add to cart is having this option. So first is the button add, and or either you can write add to cart, and here is it is like after first interaction it will come here while I click on this, so we'll get this, and once we get increase or decrease, so this second one will get introduced. So we'll see the variables. So here is the variable, just it is a day count 1, so no need to do anything here. You can change any interaction if you want, and overall here is the uh, conditional cart. So conditional cart is having one message which you can change it from the variable, or directly you can add it. So while I click on this add to cart, it will come to the state 1, and we can increase and decrease the value, and here is the max order limit is 5 unit, which is given here. So you can set any number of item or a unit here, whatever condition you have, and here is the conditional message. So if you want to see the conditional message, so it will appear here, which will be available, and we can make it false, so it will get hidden. Now the next is suppose if you want to give a number of item more, so how to do that. So here we have this plus, and here is the interaction is given like add to cart plus 1 and add to cart is less than equal to 5, so this conditional message will appear, and then it will set add to cart to 5, so it will stop, the loop will stop here till 5, it won't get increase, and if it is a less than 5, so it will get hidden, or you can say the boolean false. So this is the very easiest way to create this, and overall these all components use the same method, so you can look into this and you can use it and customize very easily way. So this file is uploaded in Figma community. I will add the link, and thanks for watching. So in upcoming videos you will get or find more logical and functional components like conditional radio list, indeterminate checkbox, charts like a donut chart, line chart, daytime selector, and more. So keep watching. We'll meet in a next video. Thanks very much.